Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. So for today's video, I have decided to do a comparison video using the Charlotte Tilbury flawless filters, and I do have 6.5 and 7, so you guys can definitely see the colors up close and personal, so you guys can see the difference in color. Once again, I do have it in shade 7 and 6. I have prepped my skin already, and if you guys are OG subscribers, you will know that I typically go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and my Elixir Serum. I do love those two products together. So for the first one, I think I'm gonna take the 6.5 on this side and take the 7 on this side. So for this portion, I'll just jump right in and show you guys a demo of me applying these products and how it looks under a different foundation to the Charlotte Tilbury. Now typically I don't use it all over my face, but just for today's purpose only, for those who would like to use it all over the face, I will taking 6.5 so that's 6.5, and that was just one dab. I didn't go and dip again. So this is how number 7 looks like on the doe foot. And just for a close-up of 6.5, you guys can see that there. As you can tell, so 6.5 is on this side and number 7 is on this side. So as you can tell so far, that 6.5 is more so closer to my complexion, where number 7 is more on the warmer side of the spectrum. To blend this product out, I'm just gonna take my sponge and blend this out. So this side has 6.5, point side has number 7. So the foundation I'll be using is my Beauty Blender foundation, and this foundation is in 4.35W. And so far you can see what the foundation looks like on top of the Hollywood Flawless filter. My skin is looking super glowy, or in other words, hydrated. For today's concealer, I'm gonna take my Hourglass concealer in the shade Maple. Blend that out. Because my skin is more so on the paler side, all my foundations don't seem to be the perfect match right now, obviously due to COVID and me staying indoors 24/7 basically. I'm feeling to go a little bit brighter under my under eye, so Yeah, I feel like to go just a tad bit brighter under my under eye, so I'm gonna take my Too Faced concealer in the shade Cookie. Just taking my brush once again to just blend out the edges and make sure it's seamlessly blended out. Basically, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and be right back and give you my final thoughts on these products for those who are interested in purchasing it, especially if you're my skin tone. So first thing is first, this product is priced at £34. Now, this is all UK brand, and I know it's a bit pricey, but let me tell you guys where you can purchase it. So a few stores that you can purchase it within the UK is Selfridges, Charlotte Tilbury's main site, John Lewis, and a few other stores. Now in the US, I do know you can purchase it from Sephora. Now, if you guys think that this price is too pricey, you guys can definitely wait on sale. Like, I purchased one of these, I think 2 of them on sale. Yeah, I think I purchased 2 of these on sale. So I think it came from £34 to £26 if I'm not mistaken. I know in America, you guys usually have Sephora VIP or VIB sale, and you guys get a massive discount, so that's a perfect opportunity for you guys to purchase it. You guys do not have to go and splurge immediately when you see a beauty guru review a product. In the UK, there's a app that you can download on your laptop called Honey. A few other discounted apps that you can download on your laptop or your phone to get massive discount, but I do know Honey mainly works on your laptop. It definitely finds a code for you, so it makes your life 1000% easy. And Honey doesn't just work on makeup only, it works on clothing lines and so on and so forth. So that is a bonus. This product is said to be or can be used as a primer. Now, I do not use it as a primer because I have oily skin. So the place that I usually use it in is the highest points of my cheek, and you can use it on your nose. This product can also be used under your foundation or above your foundation for that natural glow from within. Now, for my dry skin babes, you can use it all over your face like you saw me demonstrate it in today's video. But on a normal basis, I do not use this all over my face because I will be beaming, over glowing by the end of the day. Some may be wondering, is it a foundation? In the beginning when I was purchasing it, I asked myself the same question, but no, it is not a foundation, but it's a glowing primer that can be used under or above your foundation. This product can be worn on its own, but I typically see persons with perfect skin wear it on its own that do not have problematic areas like I do myself. If you have good skin, you can definitely wear it on its own because it has a bit of coverage. So the difference between 6.5 and 7, as you can see, 7 was the original shade, which was way too warm, and that was, I think, the last shade in the range at the time as well. So now that they've added in between shades like 6.5, 5.5, 4.5, and so on and so forth, I decided to pick up 6.5, which, as you guys could see as today's demonstration, that it matches my complexion. Do I think this product is worth your coins? 100%. It's something that I use in my day-to-day foundation routine, even though I'm an oily skin babe. Now, if you guys do not own any and you would love to purchase or was thinking of purchasing one of these from Charlotte Tilbury, and you're my complexion, for shade reference, I am MAC NC50, I am NYX Cappuccino, I am NARS Macau, in the long wear, and in the soft matte I am Marquise's, and in Juvia's Place I'm Burkina. So those are a few shade reference. Persons that are my complexion or a little bit darker can use 6.5 also. So yes, and I love the fact that they were very thoughtful to put in between shades for persons that needed that in between shade. I would initially have loved if they brought out 6.5 before, but every brand has room to improve, and I'm glad that they took that upon themselves to improve the shade. So I've now reached the end of today's video. I hope this video was very much informative for those who are interested in purchasing the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And once again, this is my skin glowing from within. Do I need to say anything further about this product other than I love it? But if you do have products that are similar to this or is similar to this, then save your coins, sis. Save your coins. We're now in hard times, so save your coins.